Thankfully, paper currency is foolproof and no cheating exists. See what I did there? Wait for you to stop laughing at your screen. Of course cheating exists. Countries where the penalty is death, people still found ways of cheating. Thankfully, governments don't cheat. Okay, not the same long pause, but we get it. Humans cheat. Germany tried to collapse England's economy in World War II by forging billions of pounds of fake currency and placing it into the global economies, including England. An economic weapon made from pulp and ink. Governments have their own finger in the pot for thievery when they turn on the printing press and issue new currency in the marketplace. Same ink and paper, only this is legal because it's signed by decree of authorization. But it still devalues all the existing money previously issued, a different form of debasing.